All right, in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 video ideas that every course creator, business owner should be posting on YouTube. Because let's face it, if you can post videos that attract your ideal customer, client, you're going to win and they're going to win. Everyone's going to win. But there's 10 different types of videos that I'm going to walk you through right now. And I'm going to do it rapid fire. So let's go. Number one, quick win tutorials. This is going to be a short, actionable lesson that gives a small but real result. An example would be something like this: 3 daily habits that boost your productivity as a coach. That would be one that we could create. And it might do good. But guess what? It's going to serve our ideal client, which we help coaches and course creators and consultants. So that would be perfect. There you go. One example. Number 2, behind the scenes of your coaching and creation process. This video right here, we are actually, you might not know this if you're watching this video on YouTube right now, but this is part of our content strategy hack, which we basically record every single week on a live stream, and we plan out our content, and it's kind of like our batch recording session. So we show that behind the scenes. And if you're watching this on the original live stream, you know what I mean. We're doing it right now. This is kind of behind the scenes. So anytime that you can show that, we literally just did on a live stream, we pulled back the curtain and we showed how we generated over $115,000 from YouTube from a brand new channel in 12 months. We showed everything. We opened up our dashboard. We opened up the spreadsheet. We showed everything. That's behind the scenes. How can you do that in your business? All right, number 3, case studies and success stories. We literally just had someone on our live stream, Matt, little shout out, who said, I got to give you guys an update. Since the last update, I've been able to generate $3,500 from the email list that I've been building thanks to your guidance. And well, we are going to share that as I'm sharing it right now. But if you can share that, not in a way that you're bragging, but you're sharing that this is someone we helped, this is their result, this is what we did to help them. And that just shows that you have some authority in your space, but also that the stuff that you're talking about, it actually works. All right, number 4, myth busting videos. You want to tackle those myths because there's myths in any niche. If you're into bass fishing, there's probably myths about that. You should not use a flashlight at night because it will, make you not catch more bass. I don't know how to tell you that any better, but that could be a myth. And then you would bust that myth. Maybe it's just your perspective, and maybe there's part of that is true, but that's just your opinion. That's what you can do. And anytime you kind of go against something, you're going to get some attention there. And you got to believe in it though. You can't just make stuff up, but busting those myths, big one. All right. Number 5, step-by-step frameworks. This is where you're going to share your method, your model, your signature framework. We have a framework. It's basically our Steady Leads Flywheel. This is where we created a playbook that we give all of our clients. And we show how we are able to post simple YouTube videos like this one, and how we're able to build our email list of qualified leads and potentially turn into clients. That's how we do it. And we use our Steady Leads Flywheel. And we share that whole framework. And just what I did there, I kind of alluded to it. And I can show you how this works right here. If you want a copy of our frameworks and our flywheel and our Steady Leads playbook, well, all you got to do is just comment leads down below and we'll send it to you. And we also privately taught a group of coaches, about 40, and we shared exactly how to do it in about 2 hours. If you want access to that, well, just comment leads and we'll send that to you as well. But you see what we did there? We have a framework. This is what we teach. This is what we follow. This is what we've done on our own channel. And now we're sharing it, and we're also building our email list at the same time. So take that as a bonus tip. All right. Number 6, problem solution content. This is where we're going to address your audience's pain points and give a solution. So an example would be this for us: struggling to get clients? here's the 3-part fix, something like that. And then we would go through 3 things to fix that problem. All right. So problem, solution, content. All right. The 7th, tools and resources reviews. This is where you are going to, in your industry, in your niche, what are some tools? What are some things that people are using that you could review? Whether that's apps, whether that is software, whether that is a new fishing pole that they just came out with, or a new spinner bait because you're into bass fishing. Whatever you can review that is coming out new for your industry or people are using to do the thing or to solve the problem, you want to do reviews on that and give people pointers on why you like them or why you don't like them. So that's a big one. Tools, resources, reviews. Okay. 8 is reaction and commentary trends in the industry. And what I mean by this is you want to share your perspective on changes in whatever people are talking about in your niche. So if there's news coming out, you want to report on that. If there's a video that someone posted and you want to add your commentary to it, you could literally do a reaction video. I've done a bunch of those on my other channel that have gotten 300, 500,000 views and has made over $8,000 from just one reaction video. So definitely don't sleep on those because they really, really can work and they're not hard to do. The other one is number 9, and that is personal journey or storytelling videos. This is where you're going to share your own ups and downs, building a business for us, coaching business, or it could be your experiences of struggling to catch bass or to win that bass fishing tournament. So think about your industry. What is something that you could share on your personal journey? I just mentioned Matt, who teaches piano. He's actually a professor at a college. Well, he could literally say how he started and some of the struggles he had of learning the piano from back when he was a kid. That's a great story. So always try to incorporate stories when you can. All right. Now, the 10th and final one here is client attracting lead magnet videos. So what this is what I just did. I could literally do a video breaking this down, which I've done, by the way, breaking down this entire flywheel strategy. And then I could just keep mentioning, if you want the playbook, just comment leads down below, which if you want this, just comment leads down below and I'll send you a copy. It's about 20-ish pages. And the video is about 2 hours long of us teaching it. So see what I just did there? But I could literally do a video, which I've done on this channel, that breaks this down in about 8 to 10 minutes. And then I can give you a call to action to want to download the thing that you're sharing. That's how you promote a lead magnet. You actually give it away, but you also can share it. And another great example of this is, well, titles are so important in all of these videos that I'm talking about. They're extremely important. And guess what? That is why I recorded a video right here that goes over our 10 top titles. And I actually share all of them with you. And you'll see I have a lead magnet built into that video too. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.